Hello everyone, this is this side, and today I'm going to show you how to open WordPress on a local host. Talking about the local host, the software I recommend is XAMPP. It is really very useful and very easy to work with. Well, I have given the link in the description where you can go and download the XAMPP. So the basic steps for downloading WordPress and working on WordPress in a local host is really very simple. Here are some steps I have written which we are going to perform in this video. The first one is download XAMPP and install it. Second one is downloading WordPress. Third is, as the WordPress comes in a zip file, we have to extract that folder in the XAMPP. And the fourth and the last one is installing WordPress in that XAMPP. So let's perform the first one. Talking about the first one, here, well, the link I've given already in the description. You can download as per your convenience here, like for Windows 1.8.2 or 1.8.3. Here are the downloading options. So once you have downloaded it, you'll see setup like this. Okay, going through the instructions step by step and installing XAMPP. Yes. Okay, next. Yeah, we have to install all of these because we need phpMyAdmin for the database we require for WordPress, plus we need this PHP for the Apache to run. So next. Yeah, okay, we are going to store that XAMPP folder in our C drive. Next. Okay, now it's installing. Yeah, it's about to install. Okay, do you want to start the control panel now? Yeah. Okay, so this is what a XAMPP control panel looks like. Now, while doing work on a local host, you really need to start your action like Apache and MySQL both. You have to start them both. Once you click on start, you'll see the status running for both of them. Okay, now you can minimize it. Well, okay, we are done with the first step. Now downloading WordPress. Okay, I've given the link in the description to download WordPress too. Now the latest version is downloading WordPress 4.0. It is a zip file, as you can see. Once you have downloaded it, I've already downloaded it. So once you've downloaded it, it'll look like this. Now we have to, okay, we are done with our second step too. Now the third step is to extract WordPress in XAMPP folder. Okay, what does that mean? Let me show you. Now this is a zip file. If you have to work on this folder, you have to extract it. So here we are going to extract it in the XAMPP folder. Here. Now one more thing, when you're working on any file or folder or any website, you have to put it in the htdocs folder in XAMPP, because that is where the files go, so that you can see them on your web browser. Okay, so now we are selecting this htdocs. and it's done. Okay, our third step is done. Well done, you guys are really doing great. Now fourth and the last step is installing WordPress. Okay, for that we have to open our WordPress folder that we have just extracted in htdocs. Here, this is the WordPress folder. Now before doing anything in that, let us visit and check whether our localhost is working fine or not. For that you just have to write localhost. Okay, if you see the screen, that means your localhost is working fine. Click on English. Now as I have told you earlier that to connect your localhost with the WordPress account, you have to make a database, and that database is made in this phpMyAdmin. You can directly click here, or you can write localhost / phpMyAdmin / we are going to open this and we are going to make a database for our WordPress. Okay, go to the databases and just write a name here. Okay, we are going to write WordPress, for example. Now create. See, database WordPress has been created. Okay, we have created a WordPress database. Now going back on a WordPress folder, you'll see a file, PHP file named wp config sample. You have to open this and put your database name in here so as to connect this with your database WordPress. We have given the name WordPress. Okay, and the username by default, in any case you give root and password blank. Okay, now you have to save this file as wp-config.php. remove the sample. Okay, you can see this file right above the config sample file. Just one more step and you're there. Okay, now we are going to go on localhost / WordPress. This is the folder name of our WordPress folder. Click enter. Here, these are some information that is needed if you are making a WordPress website. So if you're making a site of any topic, you can give the site title here. For example, let's say WordPress tutorial. Okay, I'm going to give a name here. Okay, put your email ID here and install WordPress. Now once your WordPress is installed, you'll see your WordPress panel or user login, where you will log in with this username and this password. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, login. Now this is the panel which you will see to log in your WordPress account, or if you don't want your browser to remember it or for your privacy, you can write localhost / WordPress / wp-admin. This will lead you to the same login page every time you sign out. Okay, so we have given name Batman, password and login. So this is your WordPress dashboard where you can work on your website using localhost. I guess that's it. So if you're looking forward to make a WordPress website, I have given my video link on how to make a WordPress website right in the description. So kindly refer to it and subscribe me. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.